The Moonscape Overlook on Skyline Rim is a hidden treasure in the vast desert of Utah. Come step into a different dimension on the edge of where the gray, lunar-like landscape of Factory Butte changes to the colorful badlands below near Hanksville, Utah. From the main highway of Utah 24, turn north on Factory Butte Road for 6 miles. At Coal Mine Road, turn east. Keep left when you see an intersection splitting the road into 2 different directions. Make a right on Skyline Road and follow this, and the road will turn into Moon Overlook Road. Keep driving for a few more minutes and you will have reached the Moonscape Overlook. Carefully driven 2-wheel drive vehicles can make it to the Overlook without much problem in most conditions, but to be safe, make sure you have a 4-wheel drive vehicle. The Moonscape Overlook, a prominent location on Skyline Rim, looking over a vast barren landscape of gray and brown, commonly called Blue Valley. What gives the Blue Valley its look is the Mancos Shale, which is a dominant geological feature of the area here near the ghostish town of Cainsville. The Mancos Shale is more of a gray color in direct sunlight, but just before sunrise and just after sunset it gains a bluish tinge. The best times to visit are during blue hour and golden hour, so that means get there just around 30 minutes before sunrise and in the late afternoon just before sunset for dramatic scenes. On a clear day, you can see east past Hanksville and across Canyonlands National Park and possibly to the Manti La Sal Mountains. Behind you is a majestic Factory Butte, and you can find various angles from which to photograph this grand formation. So we made it to the Moonscape. And we're gonna go down and walk on this little ledge. And yeah, we're gonna conquer this little ledge and we're gonna conquer our heights.
I'm conquering a lot of things.
Exhilarating?
But I was getting major vertigo.
Flying the drone again. It's my life. Drone flying. Plan on spending a couple hours to the whole day at the Moonscape. There are a couple other overlooks on Skyline Rim where you can drive or hike to. Bring plenty of water, especially in the summertime when the temperatures are in the 90s. Have an awesome trip to the Moonscape Overlook. Drop a comment and tell us how much you loved the Moonscape view. We have a couple other travel guides to spots around Hanksville, Utah, so be sure to check out our Hanksville playlist. So we made it to the Moonscape, and we walked down to the little viewpoint. How was that?
I was really scared, but I did it. Gotta conquer my fears.
On to the next one.
On to the next. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe to our adventure channel to see more weekly hiking video guides.